Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is July 21st, 2024. Here is the NVDA stock analysis. And I remember 3 weeks ago, I came up with an analysis that NVIDIA has been topped and potentially $96 or sub $100 is coming. And after that, the stock actually didn't manage to new all-time high. And I believe that still that analysis is very valid. And today I came up with another analysis. Make sure watch this my entire video. Um, I believe that the stock is reaching the top and we can't get to new all-time high. And even if we get to new all-time high, the potential scenario is going to be less likely. And lots of downside targets are coming. So before further ado, let's go to the chart, see what chart tells us. Here is NVIDIA monthly top here, as you see here, monthly chart. And right now, we can see there are two shadows for months of June and months of July, which we are at July. So this is kind of like exactly the top information here that we see that NVIDIA is making. And look at SMA 20. So there is a huge divergence with stock price chart, and also this is SMA 20, which is sitting around $60. I'm not saying this is coming to $60 tomorrow, but I would say this is going to be the path for coming down to get into this demand area, which is going to be $40 to $60 in a monthly chart. When? I don't know if it's going to happen this year, but potentially NVIDIA reaching its top and the upside target is going to be less likely after that, specifically when we are getting into a very parabolic move to the upside within a MACD, within RSI, and also stochastic is showing very nice divergence between these two tops. So we are just getting another bear reversal signal for NVIDIA. However, NVIDIA monthly chart just tells us when to buy. So whenever we got into monthly oversold condition, this is going to be a fantastic buying opportunity because within the uptrend, we are getting lots of sell signal, which we should just kind of like ignore. But this is not just a monthly chart. So let me go to weekly chart. And weekly chart tells me exactly the same thing. So here is a weekly chart. And right now we are seeing kind of like a very important divergence in RSI, important divergence in MACD, and also stochastic. So all three indicators in weekly chart tells us that we are in a correction. And look at last week. So NVIDIA last week just managed a very nice bearish engulfing candle, which goes below 1, 2, 3, 4, and five previous closing weeks or 6 previous closing weeks, which is very, very important because it goes below 6 weeks ago, closing 6 weeks ago. And this is a very, very bearish signal. So we may see a bounce again, but this is going to be kind of like getting into this level. If I'm going to just be specific, I'm not sure even if NVIDIA can manage go above this level. If it's going to go above 123, probably I'm going to change my analysis. If it stays a weekly close above it, but 123, that's going to be the level that I'm just looking for a bounce, for final selling opportunity, for a sharp sell-off. Here is the gap. Here is SMA 20. So potentially 103 is coming to the play for a bounce. But again, this is going to be a bounce all the way down to $87, even $80. So this is going to be sweet spot in a weekly chart. So between 77 to 96, so this $20 range is going to be my buy level for NVIDIA. And I believe that this is going to happen potentially in October, November, when we are getting into a sell-off with broad-based sell-off for the entire market. But I should say NVIDIA for the next 2-3 months, we should see just all selling opportunity. So right now, I don't see any like a pullback or any kind of like a significant upside for NVIDIA, specifically when we got a bear reversal confirmed just last week. And also, this is the level that I was looking for, 133 to 144, exactly topped here, and it didn't manage to new all-time high. Last week, NVIDIA just fell off sharply. And if we get to weekly bull reversal, I believe that this is coming to this area, which is going to be 77 to 96 with a daily bull reversal. Then we can get to that level as well. So right now, both monthly chart and weekly chart is very bearish. At least for the long term, we know that NVIDIA is going to just go down for the next few months. Here is the daily chart. And daily chart shows us that this is a very, very nice shifting structure for the first time actually after this substantial rally. So we are seeing a very nice topping formation here. NVIDIA is just going down a high. This is kind of like a low. This is lower high, and this is lower low. So we just got below this important $120 last week. If you remember, if you just watch my daily analysis, 120 level is going to be very important for NVIDIA. So right now we are just forming a very nice bear flag here. So let me clean up here. So this is kind of like a bear flag. Any kind of like a bounce to 123 to 125 in a daily basis can be kind of like a sellers to control. And then even if it goes like even stretched out to 127, which is going to be less likely, we can see another sharp sell-off to here to 83 to 96 based on the daily chart. And here's the level. Again, here's the level that I was looking for. I believe that $80 to 80, kind of like a 7, is going to be sweet spot for NVIDIA to buy. So right now, we have almost $30 downside target for NVIDIA. So this is going to be a fantastic short sell for NVIDIA. And I believe that the next few months, we are not gonna see new all-time high, or even very less likely. If we get to new all-time high, it's gonna be another selling opportunity for a sharp sell-off. This is gonna be my buy level, guys. So I'm just looking for buying opportunity at this level, nothing more than that. All right. So that was kind of like a short and sweet, I believe, analysis. Hope you like it. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.